Tara! We're about to enter Indiana.
I was...
Yeah, we're about in Indiana.
Yeah. You scared me. I was so deep in thought.
Oh. Here we are, Pink Power experience, just having fun with the team on a Friday. We decided to take the day off. Everyone's paid, and we're paying for a lot of entertainment, a lot of fun over this day. So we got some blast, some different things coming up. I'm going to catch up with the team and see what they're up to. Now we go into the secret cave and see if anybody. Hey, everyone disappeared. No one's looking. No one. They're leaving me! No, don't leave me! The T-Rex. Oh no! I will eat you. You will not eat me. Yes, I will. No, you will not. Are you sure? Yes, I am sure. They left me again. You guys left me.
You walked around.
I was going to the cave. So there's a little cave that you can see the animals closer.
Chelsea crawled through it.
Yeah.
It's cool, isn't it?
It was cool.
I was even having the animals talk.
Huge animal like Leo eat.
Have their own personality.
See the strange twisted bump on Leo's.
It's amazing.
We're in the mystery area. No one can see us in
We're
here.
spying on you. There's no one to spy on.
Yeah. Hey, look, there's a train coming.
It's the Santa Fe.
Oh, wow. Oh, and another train, too.
There was a man named with the last name of Hardy who started the Santa Fe line of restaurants. So when they stopped for their train, break, they could eat in his restaurant. And it was very high class. Yeah.
Now we can crawl out.
You can put your head in there. It's already And also, we found on the mummy.
You dare me to lay on the mummy?
I dare you to lay on the mummy.
And if I do it, what will you do?
I will watch you.
That's not good enough. What will you do?
I'll do it.
You'll do it if I do
You're
it?
being a baby.
I'm being a baby? Okay, show me up.
This tomb may have belonged to a pharaoh.
Ooh, I'll lay up there with you. What? You want to come over here and hold hands? There we go. Hold hands together. Oh, this is so. What? You want to fight?
No, it's just.
Bang, bang.
You're not supposed to shoot the other person.
What is it supposed to look like?
These gloves simulate the feel of working in space. Put your hands in the gloves and use the tool to tap each of the 3 sensors in the back.
Okay. Whoa, you did one of them.
I don't feel anything.
Yeah. Ah! Can you get the third
one?
one?
If I had the other glove on.
Uh-oh.
You have to do it.
I have to do it.
I can't reach it. Maybe then it'll turn on something.
Bing! Woo! Bang, bang. What? Are you crazy or what? Are you ready for blast off?
3, 2, 1.
Ah! Ouch, that hurts. Don't do that. Don't bang your head side to side. Oh, look, there's a panel. I can get the lights to blink. You doing it too?
But you have a partner.
I think he's a dummy.
If he's got the face mask on, he might be smart.
Tara, can you fit?
Oh, of course.
Oh, you can fit in there. Are you sure?
Let's go for a race. Oh yeah.
Whoa,
They're
she
all the way
fits.
up there. I can't reach them.
Oh
They're
no.
like all the way, like I have to sit. I can reach the pedals now. I hope I don't crash because I'm ready.
Oh, you want to ride the carousel?
I don't know.
You don't know. You can ride the. Look, you did it here.
What's this one here? Oh, it makes it look smaller, I guess. Shorter and a little bit wider. Yeah. Wow. This is what I would look like if I gained like 50 pounds.
Oh boy. What about this one? this down here.
I tried to get you.
You tried to get me and you got scared instead?
I didn't get scared, I seen Boo. And he's like,
No, come in here. It's a mirror room. Here's a mirror room. Whoa!
I am everywhere. It's like a
Out of nowhere. They left us.
I don't blame them.
That is cool.
I'll send it to Hazel. I almost walked into that.
Whoa, there's lots of mirrors here.
You're styling now.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's a circle.
This in my hair, you got all the things.
Hey, look, cool shoes. This is okay. I'm not just making it up.
I don't know why.
They remind me of those cameras, you know?
They send in
Like the drones?
Yeah.
Like in public places.
Yeah, it's like at Walmart.
Yeah, exactly.
She didn't watch that one episode of Doctor Who.
I do not
No,
watch Doctor Who.
I don't watch that either.
Ew! Oh, it's ugly!
What is
It's
it?
an opossum!
You found an opossum?
I did.
Oh boy. I'm sitting in the back so I can pick on everyone. I got you.
Race car driver, IndyCar driver, Pippa Man is here to go over the following safety information. After you finish your race, just return to the lobby and receive your results. And the great thing about Fast Times is you never know who you'll see. Professional drivers like Pippa Man, we see pros here all the time.
Neck brace, check. You ready?
Oh, I am.
Alright.
Look, you could wear a race car.
You can wear a race car
It's
suit.
gonna be too big for me.
No, they got different sizes. They got small. Here you go, Tara. You can be a race car driver.
Oh my goodness, I totally could. Oh my god.
Do it, do it, do it.
I don't
Come
want
on. How does that bumper work?
Does it have a button?
You're at Fast
I don't think mine does.
Times.
It's fun just to yell. You ready, Tara? What are you saying?
Back there, yeah? Keep it on like the last one. Slow down. Turn the speed on the yellow light. Don't bang into each other. You're not banging into the wall.
We lost the GoPro on the track because I was driving, and you guys get to see that footage. But they found it for us, and so we came back, and now we have the GoPro, so we're able to do some more videos, and it's pretty sweet here at Fast Times, Indianapolis. Pretty cool. How fast do you think these go-karts can go, Jacob?
I don't know.
They can go 40 miles per hour, okay?
That's fast.
That is fast.
Why aren't the people going 40 miles per hour?
Why aren't they?
Yeah.
Because they're scared too. It's pretty crazy, Jacob. So, see that wall over there?
Yeah.
So they go around the corner there, and pretty much, once you get near that corner over there, you just keep it floored all the way, and then you keep it floored all the way up there. And you just keep it going as fast as possible, then you let off the gas over there. So,
Because it's a sharp turn.
well, it's pretty cool. The track, your tires get really hot eventually, and they get better traction when they're hot. And so, it's crazy how fast you can go on it.
If you went 40 miles per hour, you'd be in first place. So you dropped the GoPro while you were riding the car?
Yeah.
Well, at least it didn't get run over.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Why didn't you go back and pick it up?
Because I lost it. It flew in between, like, one of the things. with the company. We lost the GoPro. Fast Carts here, though, they found the GoPro for us, and now we're back on the road, and we're going to have some more fun.